Okay folks, I've done one of these before, but this one's even bigger and it's more interesting. Let's see if I can make this piece come up a treat. Just hear some cicadas chirping, not really loudly, just little ones. They call them, I think they're called whiskies, the little tiny little ones, but I don't know if these are quite whiskies. Whatever folks, cicadas indeed. They are cute. They are kind of cute in their own special way. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh, I haven't had my morning snack either. I didn't have time to have a coffee, and I haven't had my morning snack either. I normally have a snack before I have lunch, like in between lunch and breakfast as usual, but I forgot. Fuck me dead, I've been forgetting things so badly. My memory's really bad, folks. Trying to line this up nicely. So yeah, it's a hose coupling. Did I just show it to you folks? My memory's shot. My memory, my disability. Yep, that's what we're doing. Yeah, I don't have much of a memory. It's getting a lot worse. It's really quite annoying that I just can't remember things as much. You know, I've had problems with my memory pretty well all my life. I had a cord around my neck and I came out breech as a baby. And as such, that's what I got. I have brain damage and it wrecks my short-term memory and my hippocampus functions. And I can't do a lot of things because of it. And that's come up looking quite nice, but I think it's too far down. I've got to move it across, and it's got to be enlarged more, but I think yeah, 400%. It's a tricky one, folks. I don't know why I put it on 300. 400 by 400 should be the way to go. So I'm just trying to see just where that is going. And I'm going to make it even darker. Yeah, that's come up looking quite nice, actually. I do think maybe some of the horizontal could be less, and maybe some of the vertical could be a little bit less as well. Trying to work out how to make this work. Trying to work it out, folks. Sorry. My ability to remember things is really sharply having problems. Yeah, that's come up looking a lot better now. I like it now. I've got a good composition happening overall. So that's our hose coupling piece in progress. So that's come up looking really nice. I'm going to now arrange the pieces, make some more, finish off the job and then arrange the pieces. Okay, that's that one there. Okay, that one there and this one here. Yeah, that's probably why my caffeine headache's worse, because I didn't have my 9 o'clock snack. Trying to keep myself from going into hunger mode when I'm eating, because if you don't have a snack you could end up getting fat because your body's saying, oh, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I can't fucking function, so it ends up putting you in hunger mode, and then when you eat something you end up fat. So yeah, that's not good. It's not good in my books. Let's see how we go with this piece. Just trying to separate the pieces, which is really quite difficult often. Okay, and that's come up looking quite a treat. I think we can now call this demo quits.